Good afternoon, Turks and Caicos. Here's your 3-day public weather forecast for Friday, the 27th of September 2024. The general situation: high pressure ridging across the area will support mostly clear skies and hot temperatures in the Turks and Caicos Islands today. Special warnings: a heat warning is in effect for the Turks and Caicos Islands. The public is urged to stay cool and hydrated and avoid prolonged exposure during peak sunshine hours. Weather: partly to mostly sunny today. Mostly fair with isolated showers possible tonight. Winds are east to southeast at 5 to 50 knots and seas are 1 to 3 feet near shore and in sheltered areas, 3 to 5 feet over the ocean. Daytime high temperature 93 degrees Fahrenheit with a heat index of 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Overnight low temperature is 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset is at 6:40 p.m. The next high tide is at 5:34 p.m. and the next low tide is at 12:10 a.m. Extended forecast for the next 2 days. The high pressure will support gentle to moderate winds and hot weather conditions, while a tropical wave passing south of the area could spark a few isolated showers across the islands over the weekend. Forecast for Saturday. Weather: a slight chance of showers in the morning, then a very slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Partly cloudy with a high near 92. Chance of rain is 40%. Isolated showers possible in the evening. Partly cloudy with a low around 81. New rainfall amounts of about 1/10 of an inch possible. Winds are east to southeast at 10 to 15 knots and seas are 1 to 3 feet near shore and in sheltered areas, 3 to 5 feet over the ocean. Sunrise is at 6:39 a.m. and sunset is at 6:39 p.m. Forecast for Sunday. Weather: a slight chance of showers in the morning, then a very slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Partly cloudy with a high near 92. Chance of rain is 20%. A slight chance of showers at night. Partly cloudy with a low around 80. Chance of rain is 20%. New rainfall amounts between 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch possible. Winds are easterly at 10 to 15 knots. Seas are 1 to 3 feet near shore and in sheltered areas, 3 to 5 feet over the ocean. Sunrise is at 6:39 a.m. and sunset is at 6:38 p.m. Now for your tropical weather outlook. Active systems: Tropical Storm Helene is located inland over northeast Georgia. Hurricane Isaac is also located over the central subtropical Atlantic Ocean. And then a new formed Tropical Storm Joyce is located over the central tropical Atlantic Ocean. Number 1. Western Caribbean. An area of low pressure could form over the Western Caribbean Sea by the middle of next week. The system has a low chance of formation over the next 7 days as it moves generally northwestward, potentially entering the Gulf of Mexico by the end of next week. Number 2. Eastern Subtropical Atlantic. An area of low pressure could form over the eastern tropical Atlantic by early to middle part of next week. The system has a low chance of formation over the next 7 days. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Friday the 27th of September 2024 by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Monday. Have a good weekend.